Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a little walkthrough of my junk journal here. These are a series of little journals that I've been making for my son Magnus. It's over a year now, and I'm still doing it, so this is a craft that has lasted. And I just really love how these books come together. They're easy to do. Since a lot of the work is done ahead of time when you make the notebook. So then you just come and stick stuff in. It's a nice and relaxing way to spend an afternoon. Here I've got a little journaling tucked in. I've been trying to include more journaling in these little books. I guess I will just be happy for the very small bits that I managed to get in. You know, you can only do what you can do, so. And I mostly do it for the fun of it, not necessarily for the, I have other more specific journaling practices that I do to keep track of things, so this isn't really for that necessarily, although it is certainly nice when I manage to do it. So these are all, everything in these journals is really, it's a really scrappy kind of way to make things. So where things are coming from is, you know, basically my desk. A lot of this stuff is very old or things that I've printed out from my website. So you can never have too many tags. Here's a tag on a tag. That's really next level crafting right there. I just love how these albums have all sorts of different little pockets and places where you can stick things. I don't know, they're very interesting to look at, but also very interesting to make. So here we go. We're coming towards the end here. In this book, I always put too many pages when I make these notebooks, so it was getting really quite fat. So I kind of had to kind of cheat at the end. There's not a lot going on. You'll see when we get to the end here. Too many pages, but what are you gonna do? Well, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.